Welcome! Today we're diving into the world of Google Nano Banana Pro, the latest breakthrough in AI-powered UI/UX design. If you've ever struggled with time-consuming mockups or wished for a tool that truly understands design thinking, this is the update you've been waiting for. Released in November 2025, Nano Banana Pro is built on Gemini 3 Pro and promises to transform how designers and developers approach their projects. In this video, we'll walk through its capabilities, real-world testing, and why it might just outpace your current design workflow. Let's get started and see what makes this tool so special. After hands-on testing, it's clear that Nano Banana Pro isn't just an incremental update, it's a leap forward. Compared to previous models like Google Stitch, this AI delivers more thoughtful, detailed designs. What stood out most was its ability to provide not only attractive visuals but also comprehensive design thinking. It's not just about making things look good. It's about creating designs that are ready for real-world implementation. Whether you're building presentations or actual apps, Nano Banana Pro's outputs are practical and actionable, saving you hours of manual refinement. So, what exactly is Google Nano Banana Pro? It's Google's newest image generation and editing model, built from the ground up using the Gemini 3 reasoning engine. This means it doesn't just generate images, it understands context, applies real-world knowledge, and makes design decisions that feel intentional. With the ability to handle up to 14 image inputs and maintain consistency across multiple elements, it's a game-changer for anyone working in design or development. The result? Faster prototyping, better mockups, and less manual tweaking. One of Nano Banana Pro's standout features is its integration with Google Search's knowledge base. This allows it to pull real-time information when generating infographics, diagrams, or data visualizations. For educational content, technical documentation, or any design work that demands accuracy, this is a huge advantage. During testing, it became clear that Nano Banana Pro isn't just about pretty pictures. It provides detailed specifications and explanations, making it a powerful tool for both designers and developers. To put Nano Banana Pro to the test, I challenged it with a common designer task: creating a full-stack app wireframe from scratch. The prompt was simple: a modern habits app to help users stay focused and build productive habits. Impressively, Nano Banana Pro didn't just jump into visuals. It started by outlining the app's philosophy, identifying core features, and mapping the user flow. This strategic approach ensures that every design decision is rooted in user needs and best practices. Nano Banana Pro broke down the design philosophy into 5 actionable principles. Focus on today to reduce cognitive overload, make completion frictionless, leverage streak psychology, use contextual cues for habit formation, and integrate a focus timer. These principles shape every screen and interaction, ensuring the app is both user-friendly and effective. By prioritizing the core loop and avoiding unnecessary features, the model keeps the minimum viable product streamlined and focused. The model mapped out the essential user flow for the app: authentication, onboarding, dashboard, habit creation, and weekly review. It proposed a bottom navigation bar with 4 tabs: Today, Progress, Focus, and Profile, mirroring mobile UX conventions while keeping the interface minimal. For the dashboard, Nano Banana Pro explained each element, from the greeting and progress bar to habit cards and interactive checkboxes. This level of detail makes the design easy to build and understand. Nano Banana Pro's dashboard design stands out for its clarity and usability. The header greets the user, displays the date, and shows a progress bar for daily completion. Habits are grouped by time of day, helping users focus on what's relevant. Each habit card features an emoji, name, cue, and a large checkbox. A unique touch: holding the checkmark triggers an animation and haptic feedback, making the experience more engaging. The model's structured approach ensures the design is both visually appealing and developer-friendly. After reviewing the wireframes, I challenged Nano Banana Pro to take things further by generating high-fidelity mockups. I requested a minimalistic, clean UI with a white and black color scheme. Unlike most AI image generators, Nano Banana Pro understood the constraints of real product design hierarchy: spacing, typography, and color systems. The result was a set of clean, modern screens that followed my brief exactly, demonstrating the model's ability to translate ideas into polished visuals. When I asked for a detailed breakdown, Nano Banana Pro delivered comprehensive specifications. A white background with subtle shadows, icons in number 1A, 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 clear hierarchy for habit names and cues, and a large circular checkbox as the main interaction point. This level of detail is invaluable for developers, as it bridges the gap between design and implementation. The generated mockups match the specifications exactly, making the handoff process smoother than ever. A major upgrade in Nano Banana Pro is its advanced text rendering. Unlike previous AI models, it can generate legible, correctly spelled text in various fonts and languages. This is a game changer for designers working on posters, branding, or multilingual interfaces. The model also supports translation, allowing you to create mockups in English and quickly generate versions in other languages, maintaining design consistency and cultural relevance. Nano Banana Pro excels at maintaining consistency across multiple screens and design elements. It can blend up to 14 images and keep up to 5 characters visually consistent. This is especially useful for building design systems, brand libraries, and multi-screen flows. By uploading your brand assets and styles, you can generate variations that all adhere to your established visual language, saving time and ensuring a cohesive user experience. What sets Nano Banana Pro apart is its ability to integrate real-time data from Google Search. When generating infographics, dashboards, or information-rich interfaces, it can pull current information, making your mockups feel more realistic and relevant. This feature is invaluable for designers working on dashboards, weather apps, or any interface where up-to-date data enhances the user experience. Despite its strengths, Nano Banana Pro has some limitations. It can struggle with small faces, fine details, and complex edits. Text accuracy in buttons or labels still needs verification, and advanced state changes may require separate generations. On the safety side, all images include imperceptible Synth ID watermarking for transparency, and Google applies robust filtering to ensure appropriate content and representation. Nano Banana Pro shines in rapid prototyping, client presentations, developer handoff, design education, and content creation. For best results, be specific with your prompts. Ask for iterations and request detailed specifications. The model's thinking mode reveals its reasoning, often surfacing better approaches you might not have considered. Whether you're a solo developer or part of a team, Nano Banana Pro can accelerate your workflow and help you move from concept to visual mockup in record time.